my name is Avian. First, I will tell, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. And please see my channel, Knowledge of Omji Hero. Its name is Knowledge of Omji Hero. It's my practice in Facebook. Okay. In the YouTube, you see all things in the world map part 2. In part 2, I tell these footages. In practice, I tell these footages and half countries. All 100 countries I tell, and I tell 100 countries only, and all the countries are wait. I tell in the YouTube. Okay. Now we tell these footages. It is Arctic region, North Pole. It is Alaska. You see, of USA state. It is Canada. It is touches with Canada. It's Greenland. State of Denmark. It's Denmark. Not it's Denmark. Okay. It's Legends. It is ice cap only. Parliament ice shelf. Maximum extent of sea ice. March summer extent of sea ice. It is, and the red spot is a country capital, and the blue and the black dot of other towns. Okay. It is Iceland. Where is Iceland? Here. Here is Iceland. And it is Russia, the largest country in the world. Only this part is of biggest. Its biggest, like half part is of Russia. It's go to the Europe, and the half part of Russia is go to the Asia. Okay. It is European. This part and the Ural Mountains touches with Europe, and half part like this here. Okay, like here, this full part is of Asia. Okay. Then we see Sweden. Where is Sweden? Here is Sweden and Norway. In above Sweden, it is Norway, and below Sweden and Norway we see Finland. Okay, and see this footage. It is Antarctica, like this. Antarctica region, South Pole. You know the South Pole lives Santa, but Santa not in real life. Okay. It is South Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Baltic Sea, Ross Sea, South Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Circle, and Weddell Sea, and more seas. Okay. Here is South Pole. First, see these legends. Ice cap, Parliament ice shelf, maximum extent of sea ice, March summer extent of sea ice, surface illusion of depth of ice in meters, Parliament managed basis. The red spot of Parliament of Antarctica. Antarctica like a continent, but all my school students tell me Antarctica is a country, but I said no. Antarctica is not a country. Antarctica is a continent. You know, we have 7 continents. North America, South America, 1 and 2. Africa, Eurasia, Africa and Asia and Eurasia. Asia and Europe make Eurasia. You see, the Europe touches Asia, like, and the Turkey. You see Turkey here, and it's here. This little part is in Europe. Armenia is in Europe, and Azerbaijan is in Europe, and the half part of Cyprus. It is the smallest country in the world. You see, it's Nicosia. In this small part, we see Cyprus. Okay, and it's Brazil. It's Canada. It's USA. USA have had 50 states, but on the North America's USA, we see only 49 states. I mean 48 states. Here and here, it's Hawaii Island. It's the smallest state of USA, but it's Hawaiian Island of USA. Its capital is Hawaii. Okay, and Alaska is the state of USA. Alaska is the 49th state of India, and the Hawaiian Islands is the 15th state of India. It's my full practice. You see me in YouTube. Thanks for watching.